Hello there, my name is Radha Badi, and right now I will be going social linguistics part 2. Part 1. Definition. Chord alternation is about social linguistic terms referring to the process of switching or moving from one language dialect register or linguistic variety to others during communication. As defined earlier, it acts as an umbrella concept that encompasses all types of linguistic shifts, regardless of where exactly the switch occurs, whether between sentences, between speakers, through or across a different social context. Unlike narrower terms, chord alternation does not restrict itself to switches happening inside a single sentence. It converts every instant, where a speaker selects a different code to convey meaning, making it the general category under which more specific behavior like code switching or code mixing fall. Or characteristic core alternation display consistent feature observed in multilingual and multi-dialectal communicators. Voluntary and strange, it's rarely random speaker choose alternate codes to achieve a specific communicative goal rather than because they large province one language rule govern it. Even when switching frequently, alternation follow implicit grammatical and social rules. There are logical boundaries and accept acceptable patterns that native speakers recognize. Context dependent. The choice of code changes based on factors such as setting, topic, audience, and social norms. Continuum of use it ranges from completive at the paragraph conversation level to partial shift within utterance. Social communicative function is not just a linguistic habit but a tool used to build relationship, express identity, and manage social distance. Key concept to fully understand code alternation is it is necessary to distinguish it from related terms that fall under its umbrella. Code switching, the most specific form of alternation referring to switch between sentences or clauses. Example, I finished my homework, sekarang saya mau istirahat. Code mixing refers to switching between a single sentence or clause. Example, saya sedang makan rice di meja. Fried rice di meja. Chord shifting, situational alternation, occurs when the entry language system changes because the situation has changed. Speaking formal language in class versus casual language with friends. Diclusia, a related concept describing a stable situation where two distinct varieties exist in a community at a separate social function and function, one high formal or official and one low information home. Sociolinguistic theories supporting code alternation. Fishman domain theory, Joshua Firman, 1965. Fishman post that language choice indeterminate indeterm, indeterminate by domain of use specific social contents context that shape what code is appropriate. Domains include family, friendship, religions, education, employment. Application to code alternation when a conversation move from one domain to others. The speak naturally alternate codes, for example, switching from English education domain to Indonesian friendship domains when class ends. In implications, this theory explains why alternation happens. It follows the social structure of the community. Campers Intellectual Sociolinguistic John Campers 1982. Campers view word code alternation not just reflections of the enri- in environment but as active strategy used during instruction. He identified two main types: situational switching, change in code caused by a change in external situation of party participants. Metaphorical switching change used to alter the tone, emphasis, or relationship between speaker without changing the situations. Analyst Camper shifted the view from language as a system to language as social behavior, proving that intranation creates social missions. Mears Scotton Marx model Carol Mears Scotton 1993. It is a more French theories explaining how and why speaker choose quotes. Marked versus unmarked choice. Unmarked choice is the expect nature code for the context. Using formal language in a meeting words. Choose an expected switch used to signal a choice in social relationship attitude or intentions. KID speakers alter codes to negotiate social identities. Rex Armored switch is a way of saying I want to frame this instruction differently, breaking the defeat myth. Historical alternation was viewed negative. Many people once considered the sake of confusion, laziness, or incomplete language learning. However, sociolinguistic research proffers the opposite. Critical instance, the ability to alternate code demonstrates ethno-linguistic competence is so that the speaker has mastered not only grammar and vocabulary but also the special words of communication. Multilingual speakers who alternate codes are often more flexible communicator than monolingual speakers. Social identity group membership speaking a dialect or local language signal, belonging to a community, switching to national or global language signal participation in a wider society. Social distance, alternating codes can either reduce distance using informal space to wield collisions or interest distance use formal space to show respect or authority mechanize. Mechanize is a prodigal publication issue regular interval, usually weekly, weekly or monthly. It contains a collection or article stories, photograph, illustrations, advertisement, and feature written by different authors, unlike newspaper, which focus mostly on daily news and various event organized. Emphasize depth analysis, special interest, and entertainment and communication terms mechanized are classified as print media and now digital media that serve as a bridge between information providers and readers, targeting specific audiences or general readers. Main characteristic: pure ducity, published on factions, schedule weekly, monthly, quarterly, specific audience. Most magazines are designed for defense group based on age, gender, profession, hobby, or interest. Visual efforts in images, graphic, color, writing, and layouts, designed to attract attention and support the written content. In-depth content articles are longer, more detailed, and analytical compared to new report in newspaper. They often explain background, opinion, and trends. Longer lifespan later keep mechanized longer than newspaper as their content remain relevant for weeks or months. Af- Advertising platforms are major source of revenue. Advertisements match the mechanism themes and target readers. Type mechanisms. Mechanisms. Mechanisms are generally categorized by their content and relationship general interest. Mechanisms cover a range of a topic: new lifestyle, health, culture, travel, and entertainment. Example: Time, National Geographic, rather this case Compass Weekly, Special Set, Special Set, or Trade Mechanisms. Published research paper, studies, studies, and expert analysis written for professional student and research peer review what and high-class gradable. Example journal or multilingual and multicultural development. Focus on one specific field or industry. Example business for best partner, partners, technology award, PC, magazines, sports, illustrated, soccer, magazine, fashion and lifestyle, Foju, Cosmopolitan LA, Education and Academic Journal of Sociolinguistic Language Learning, Consumer versus Business Mechanism. Customers sold the general public for personal use. Business distribute to professional in a specific industry to share update and knowledge. Function of mechanism in society and communication. From media and social linguistic perspective, mechanicians serve this key role. Information and education that explain conflict topic, introduce new trends, and share knowledge in assembled language. Opinions and interpretation, unlike hard new mechanisms of often analysis and viewpoint, helping reader understand why something happened, not just what happened. Entertainment and leisure and entertainment and leisure proof story feature and like reading for relations. Cultural Capture reflection mechanism mirror the value, level, and language of society. The writing, style, vocabulary, and tone often reflect the code register and dialect appropriate to their economic function as a medium for advertising, connecting producers and consumers. Language use example language use example mechanism demonstrate code selection. They shows language registers register and tell the match the reader. For example, a 10 mechanized uses casual. An academic journal use formal, technical, and standard language. Evolution print to digital. Print mechanized traditional format, physical copy, high production quality, longer shelf life. Digital or only mechanized, available via website or website apps or reader offer interactive feature, video, hyperlink, and an instant update reaching a global audience instantly. Critical analysis. Critical analysis. Mechanics are not natural media. They carry social and cultural influence, identity formation, the shape idea of lifestyle, beauty, success, and values. Language standardizations, general and formal mechanisms help promote standard language use, while niche publication might preserve or cast dialect and formal varieties. Audience make mention their focus is on specific group purpose communication adapt to different communication and example of the choice and domain use discussed early in social linguistic. Friable plus non-friable it involves first not just speech but also readers eye contact, tone of voice and pause, all of which convey meanings. Recordable use documents through notes, audio or video, recording for future analysis. Type of interview. Structure interviews a fixed list of standard set question actually in the same order to all participants ensure consistency and conservability of data. Used in a survey of facial assessment, quantitative research. Semi-structured interview has a set of core questions but allow flexibility to ask follow-up question, clarify point, or explore new topic as they arise in use in qualitative research journalism, in-depth study, unstructured or informal interview, no fixed list. The conversation for natural around as aboard theme like guided discussion used in exploratory research, case study, at no para and no part of he. An interview is a structural interaction designed to exchange information governed by linguistic, social, and social rules. It's not just a method, but a conflict communication even where language choice, role behavior, and social context all determine it a success and quality. An interview is a structured instruction destined to enhance information growth net by linguistic social cultural rules is not just a method but a complex communication even where language choice role before and social context all determine its success and quality. Television transcript is a written version or edit records of the audience and visual content broadcast on television. It converts spoken dialogue, dialogue, sound effect, music, and relevant visual action into written text. Preserving, prefer- preserving the sequence, timing, and structure of the original program. In media, student linguistic and communication research it serves as a permanent analyzable version of broadcast. It transport temporary audience visual into facts the info fact the that can study quest or archive. New transcripts. Formal structure standard language follow the conversation of new reporting so also interview. More conventional may include code switching, interaction, and shift in tone or register drama fiction transcript script dialogue representing corrupted space for storytelling. Common, com, Documentary transcript mix formal narration and informal interview space. The title of shorts, the title the of shorts, title title of short is the official identifying name given to any published, recorded, or recorded material used as information or in-depth research, analysis, or study. It serves the primary label that distinguishes one source from others and usually reflect the main topic focus or content of material. In academic research, terms are short refers to any material that provides information such as above articles, mechanisms, interview, television program transcript, website, or report. The title is the first element used to cite, locate, and reference that source. Title of the source is the formal name that identifies a piece of information material. It's at a label with an reference point, making it indispensable in research, analysis, and communication. Study whatever you are using a book, interview, transcript, or mechanization. The title always the first key detail your record and presence. What the example is to the topic invalidates that the phoneme non-equally occurs. The topic called alternation is defined as the cinematic shift between language, dialect, or variety during communication. Relate of relevance of the example. The definition will tell what is what example what so as how is log in real use the conference that this not just remains vague and difficult to recognize in in actual space or writing. Example, we will start the meeting now. Silakan duduk dan tenang. Very relevant. This sentence clearly saw a shift from English to Indonesian between two complete clauses matching the definition code of alternation. It demonstrates the specific language feature. We prefer identified lexical synthetic morphology, morphological and discourse feature has mark of alternation example make this flexible and measure lexical feature example. Send the document by email so interaction of vocabulary. Cinematic feature example I don't understand. Bisa jelasin lagi? So switch follow grammatical boundaries. Morphology feature example please approve can this request. So how grammar rules combine across codes. Relevant each example directly correspond to a linguistic feature following that the shift follow consistent pattern rather than being random mistake. This support the claim that alternation is a skill, not confusion. Confusion apply at least one theory from academic book. Mersketen C. 1993 Social Motivation for Code Switching and Evidence from America Oxford University Press. Assessment GA 1917 2 Social Linguistics at Brave in Introduction Newbury House. Application of demonstratory core ID language choice is determined by social domain, family, education, what religions. Application is not especially standard Indonesian at school or office. Switching to Japanese and home and switch just to English in international setting. This alternation follow a Fishman rule difference domain difference appropriate real real fans it so that alternation is structured by social structure of the communication. Use at least two relevant journal articles. Article 1 Bloom GP and Gampers GG 1970 17.2 Social meaning in linguistic structure code switching in our way in language in social context. PP 407 435 44 Penguin education of fun and or foundation of social linguistic journal or search originally published as a landmark study widely cited in Language in Society and Social Journal. Key concept and theory. This article introduces the dis- distinction between situational code alternation shift triggered by a change in setting topic or participants. Metaphorical code alternation shift within the same situation to change tone, social distance, or abhasis. Abhasis. Core claim alternation is not a random mixing. It acts as contextualism. Two speakers use code shift to signal how utterance utterance should be interpreted. Example, we must submit report today. Jangan lupa cek data terakhir ya. English Indonesia in workplace. Article 2. Merce Scotton C. 1989 code switching with English. Type of switching, type of communication words English. Key concept and theory. This article expands the Markness model. Speaker choose between unmarked, expected, and marked unexpected code based on community normal. Introduces the metric language frame. One language provide grammar or syntax. The embedded language contributes vocabulary or phrases, explaining how alternation is structurally rule-governed. Application to your example and analyze. Example, please tanda tangan this farm and kirim pass and kirim into HR. English based grammar plus Indonesia verb inserted. Identity constructions. One definition and concept. In identity construction refers to the active process of saving and phrasing who we are or belonging, role, value, and status through instruction for a sociolinguistic view. Called alternation identity performance. Every use of linguistic dialect or register signal who I am, who I talking to, and where I belong. In group identity, using local language or dialect to show solidarity and membership. Outgroup status identity, switching to standard or global language to signal education formality or modernity. Hybrid identity, alternating between codes to express mixed culture background. English Indonesia, e.g. Indonesia English. Bilinguals, campers, we code versus they code. 1982, we code local or informal. Intimacy, belonging, they code. Standard or formal authority or public identity. Morse code, Markness model 1993. Unmarked chose expected identity. Marx chose deliberate shift to project a different identity. Social identity theory, Touchful and Turner. Language choice reinforces group boundaries and self-categorization. Similar theories. Similarities between a code alternation, code switching, and code mixing. These terms are often grouped together and they share fundamental characteristics, same core definition in envelope, using more than one language, dialect, or the linguistic variety in a single conversation of text. Systematic and role governance, not a random mistake or thing of function as not by Mystery Cotton, 1989, and Bill and Bloom and Gompers, 1972. All follow grammatical, phonological, and social rules of the language enveloped. Social communication purpose all serve similar function. They help speaker convey meaning, adjust tone with relationship, and manage social distance. A reflect multilingual competence all demonstrates that the speaker has suf- sufficient knowledge of more than one system chosen between them effectively. Construct identity in all this practice. Language chose as a symbol of identity, belonging, and group membership. Looks 2003. Part 2. Topic Gender Inclusive Specimens. Descriptions. Language forms that are marked for one gender but are used as if they apply to everyone, while excluding or making invisible member of other genders. In the case, the manager use the masculine pronoun his in a sentence such as every employer must submit his report, and a good programmer should improve his coding skill. All too traditionally claimed to be generic modern. Language which defines this as a gender-exclusive language. It uses terms specifically associated with males to refer to a mixed or unknown group, preferably linguistically asserting one gender, and marginalizing others is not natural, but a convention that treat the male from as the Philip standard. Be analyst of my phenon occurs. Question: why the manager language be considered gender exclusive? Consequences, outcomes, and impact that follow from using gender-exclusive language. As specifically, the manager statement every employee must submit his report and good programmer should improve his coding skill. In a simple means, in defining how to choice of language change influences communication itself, linguistic effort, and thought, and how it shapes relationship, perceptions, and behavior among people in workplace. Social effect in social linguistics, language is never neutral. It does not just describes reality. It also creates and reinforces it. Therefore, the way we speak produces real result both in house language work and how society functions. Topic 1 means the situation illustrates thus the use of gender inclusive language are linguistic practice in which terms grammatically marked for one gender are used if they apply universally to all people. Traditionally, English grammar rules prescribe the masculine pronouns he or his as the generic from claiming it could refer to person of pronoun or mixed gender, however modern. Sociolinguistics defines this as not truly natural in the sentence about his is semantically historically tied to male identity, yet it used refer to every employer and very broad roles that include both men and women. These creators are from speech that's linguistically centered men as the default while rendering women and others gendered genders invisible or secondary. Question: gender inclusive speech refers to the use of linguistic forms such as pronouns, nouns, titles, or grammatical structures that are explicitly marks from one gender, but are employed as if they apply universally to all people while effectively excluding or rendering invisible members of others. Gender is a sociolinguistic pattern in which one gender is treated as the default or standard and the others treated as secondary, exceptional, or underrepresented. In the case study provided, it is a sentence such as every employee must submit his report before Friday. A good programmer should improve his coding skill regularly. Although traditional descriptive genre are natural modern, sociolinguistic analysis confirms that his cinematic and grammatically tied specifically to the male gender. Men used to refer as a mixed gender or pronoun groups. It does not truly represent every instead it constructs linguistic reality where one only men are fully acknowledged as the norm. This makes the space exclusive rather than exclusive. Topic 2 means this example illustrates the concept of information density and syntactic complexity. Communication information density refers to amount of meaning, idea, and detail packed into a given amount of text space. Syntactic complexity refers to how sentences are structured, whether they use a simple common word or elaborate structure, abstract vocabulary, and technical terms. Lecture as treatment. Language is a system of communication. This has low information density. Simple syntax is used short sentence structure familiar vocabulary and expresses only one basic idea directly. Lecture based statement language function as a Dominic a symbol system, facilitate- facilitating the transmission and negotiation of meaning across the first social cultural context. This has high information density and complex syntax. It includes more abstract concepts, specializes terms, longer phrasing, and multi-rate idea combined into one sentence. Question: linguistic density, or called information density, refers to the amount of meaning, concept, detail, and relationship expressed within a given like of space or text. Higher density means more information is packed into favor. Word, sentence, or utterance. Lower density means information is spread out more simple and clearly. Letter A. Language is a system of communication. This a short, simple sentence containing only one core idea. Common vocabulary, no extra detail, has long linguistic density. Topic 3 means this example demonstrates the concept of information density, syntactic complexity, and experience written communications. Communication information's density refers to how much detail, qualifications, and conditions includes informations. Cinematic complexity refers to how sentences are structured whenever they are not there are short and direct or longer and built with adjectival clauses and formal phrasing. Phrasing A. Student must submit the form by Friday. This has allowed information density and simple syntax is uses basic sentence structure command, vocabulary and state only the core instruction clearly and verify. There are no ex, ex, extra condition or descriptions. Person B. Situation: student who when complete the registration process and full files and administrative requirements are required to submit the form before the specified deadline. This has higher information density and greater cinematic complexity. It adds press treat conditions. Who has a conflict for file use of formal and more abstract terms. Administrative requirements, specify deadline, and combine several pieces of information into the longer sentence. Question: linguistic complexity refers to the degree of elaborations, structure, detail, and abstraction found in language use. In combined measure of how words are chosen, how sentences are built, and how much information is packed into a utterance or text. It has two main dimensions: Lexical complexity, the use of rare, technical, abstract, or formal vocabulary rather than a simple, everyday word. Cinematic complexity, the uh, the arrangement of a sentence include lack use of subordinate clause, passive voice, embedded phrases, and logical connection between ideas. Topic 4 means. This example illustrates the concept of linguistic register style variation and polytenesis. Strangest key area is sociolinguistic. Registers refer to the specific varieties of language chosen according to the context. Relationship between speaker pause and sitting is changed from informal or casual register to formal or professional register. Polit, 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 politeness refer to linguistic choices that acknowledge social role status differences and respect towards the other person. In this case, first, message "Hey prof, what's up? I need your signature as up uses informal register. Include casual greeting. Hey, what's up? Abbrev abbrev abbreviations ASAP and direct brief approaches. This style is suitable for a friend of course, but not communication with an authority figure like a professor. Second message for meaning for good morning, professor. I would like to request your signature. Questions. Language is affair to the particular way a person closest to use a language is a specific situation includes choice of vocabulary sentence, structure, tone, level of formality, grammar, and expression is not about different language or dialect but about different variation within the same language. Used used to suit different purposes, audience, and context. Language style exists on continuum ranging from very informal or casual to very formal or official as has seen in previous example. Informal style. Hey prof, what's up? I need your signature as a formal style. Good morning, professor. I would like to request your signature on my academic form about our English, but their style. The fourth style is flexible. Speaker change in depending on who are talking to where they are, what they want to achieve. Topic 5 means, and this example illustrates the concept of semantic change, polysemy, and context dependence, meaning key topic in the social linguistic and semantic. Polysemy refers to a single word having more than one distinct meaning. In this case, adjective shifts traditionally and formally means ill, unhealthy, or unwell are clearly negative descriptions. How- However, in modern informal usage, especially among younger generation and certain social group, it has developed a new opposite, meaning impressive, excellent, or of very high quality. Slang and register variation. The new meaning of six belong to informal or youth register, while the original meaning belongs to standard or formal register because the word carries two very different interpretations. Listeners rely on their own background knowledge and the situation to decide which meaning is in the confusions arise because the word is used in classroom setting where some students recognize the formal slang meaning and others only know the traditional definitions. Questions. Contextual factor refers to all the circumstance, audience, and background information surrounding and other trends that help determine its correct meaning. In sociolinguistics and pragmatic meaning is not found only in the word themselves. It is constrained to the interaction between language and and its a context. As an example where this project is realistic, interpreted both negatively and positively, the same sentence can have different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Context is generally defined, defined into the main categories. Linguistic context, the words, sentence, and text that come before or after friends, situation, or social context. The setting, participants, culture, and shared knowledge in, in, involved in the instructions. There are factors as uh, cues that help listeners choose between possible meanings and avoid misunderstanding. Topic 6 means this example illustrates the concept of register variation. One of the most fundamental idea is social linguistic register refer to the specific variety or style of language chosen by a speaker or writer to suit particular context, purpose, purpose, audience, and field of activity, while the core information remains the same in about statement. The vocabulary, sentence structure, and level of technical detail differs significantly. First statement: the printed exhibits symptoms of hypertension and requires immediate pharmacological interventions. This uses a formal, technical, or specialized register. It contains medical terminology, hypertension, pharmacological intervention, complex parsing, and objective in personal tone. Second statement: your family member high your family member has high blood pressure and needs medication. On this I use a simple phrase every day or general register. It replaces technical terms with a common word uses a shorter and clearer experience and adopt a more personal and accessible tones. Both are correct from of English, but they belong to different language varieties used for different situations. Topic 7 means this situation illustrates the concept of stereotype, gendered discourse, and linguistic reception, reception- representations. In linguistic stereotype is uh, generation generations fixed and approximate belief about a group of people, often assum, assuming that all members of that group share the same characteristic abilities of behaviors. The manager's statements. Women are naturally better at communication, while men are naturally better at leaderships. Makes both universal claims that link gender directly to inherent natural abilities from a sociolinguistic perspective. This is not just a statement of opinions, it is a discursive practice. Language is used to construct and reinforce ideas about what different genders should or can do. The employees discourage discouragements areas because the statement treats these threats as a fixed biological, ignoring the reality that varies very greatly among individual quartiles of gender. Questions. Stereotypes are a simple fact and generalized beliefs or assumptions about an entire group of people, often ignoring individual differences and complexity. When these beliefs are expressed to language or attention to language itself, they become linguistic and social stereotypes. Social stereotypes are both judgment about the characteristic, abilities, behaviors, or roles of social groups, such as a gender, race, ethnicity, professions, or class. For example, the manager's statement, women are naturally better at communications, while men are naturally better at leadership is a social stereotype. It's claim a universal trait for all members of gender groups. Linguistic stereotype link a specific way of speaking extends vocabulary or language pattern-centered groups, and then attack value judgment to them. For instance, assum- assuming that a person who speaks a local dialect is less educated, or that particular accent sounds unintelligent or authoritative is linguistic stereotype. In about cases, the future is over generalizations, taking a partial of observations or cultural belief and applying it to every person in the group. regardless of individual reality.